This video tutorial will show you how to add a footer message for all Gmail users when sending a message. In the first step, sign into the Google Workspace platform. Now you have to click on Apps, then go to Google Workspace. Then select Gmail and go to Settings for Gmail. Look for the Compliance option and click on it. Next, you'll need to scroll down to the Compliance section and click or tap on the option that says Append Footer. Click on Configure and enter a short description for the footer. The Append Footer Composer doesn't support rich HTML, so try not to exaggerate here. For our example, I'll add a generic message, then click Save. In the second part, you can send a test email message, note that this user already has an email signature, so the footer box appears at the end. Also, the user cannot see the footer message, only the recipient. In the third part, we have an example of how the message is received with the footer block below the email signature.